Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the body contouring expert here at Emsculpt Medical, and this is the Emsculpt Neo. The Emsculpt Neo is a revolutionary treatment that essentially tightens and tones the abdominal area. It helps burn fat and tighten and tone any loss of elasticity around the treated areas. It has no downtime, and it also accompanies like a really good balance overall in your lifestyle. So if you do tend to work out or have a balanced diet, it kind of goes hand in hand in that, but it's a non-invasive treatment, so anything you do outside of here, it's almost like a booster to that. Who's a good candidate for Emsculpt? Essentially, anyone can get Emsculpt. We do say that it's best to come in for an Emsculpt treatment when you feel like you're at your ideal weight, but you just have a little bit of stubbornness and you want a little bit of tightening and toning. This treatment is a great alternative for those who don't want to do any invasive type of procedures. This is a non-invasive treatment that will get rid of any stubborn fat in the desired areas that you'd like to treat. It does eliminate any stubborn fat pockets that are just kind of sitting around in that area, and it also helps tighten and tone any loose skin. So once again, if anyone is a little nervous about going under the knife or just kind of going towards a more invasive treatment, the Emsculpt is perfect for non-invasive body contouring. We do also pair it with a lot of different body contouring treatments here at Emsculpt Medical. So how does the Emsculpt work? Essentially, we place one of these two paddles, if not both, on the desired treated area. So for example, if you want to treat your abdomen or your glutes or the back of the thighs or the front of the thighs, we would place the paddles right directly onto that area that you'd like to assess. The stimulation portion and the radio frequency portion of the treatment is controlled by me, so I have full control of how high I go in intensity and in frequency. It does feel a little bit almost like a little intense in the moment, just because the stimulation is actually forcing the muscles to contract. So once the stimulation goes a little higher, you're gonna almost feel like someone's kind of helping you do the crunches for you. So muscle movement is totally normal, but we do gradually increase, so then you start to build a little stamina to the stimulation, and then the frequency is really nice because it almost feels like a little heating pad over the desired area, and it kind of helps you warm up the muscles a little bit to this treatment and making it a lot more comfortable. Once you're done, there's actually no downtime, so you can go about your day. You won't feel any soreness. If you do feel like you're struggling a little bit with more stubborn fat in certain areas, then we like to pair the Emsculpt with the Eon treatment and other body contouring treatments as such our balancer or lymphatic drainage with our wood therapy treatment as well. But the Eon is essentially designed to kill and eliminate stubborn fat cells in the treated areas. Once those flush out naturally, you'll start to see the stubborn fat decrease, and that's when we'll have you start with the Emsculpt to help tighten tone the overall area that we're treating.